Hey, I'm Jordan Alexander. I'm the SVP of Operations at Skar Audio. I think one of the things that's made our company really great is the inclusiveness of our culture and how our culture has grown over the course of the 2.5 years that I've been with the company. Not only have we moved from this niche car audio brand to really a big player in the market and a household name.
Hey, my name's Evan Martin. I'm the Assistant Warehouse Manager for Skar Audio. I've been with the company for about 2 years now. One of the biggest things I've loved about this company is the room for growth that they provide you. They're really good at seeing the potential you have, acknowledging it, and compensating you with more responsibilities, better pay, whatever you need. They're really good at working with you.
Hi, my name is Neal. I'm the Senior Warehouse Associate here at Skar. A couple of fun facts that I want to mention is the group of guys that I work with. They're totally awesome. The amount of work, the amount of good attitude that we have here is unreal.